next recipe today are applesauce pancakes. For the ingredients for this recipe, we have a 1/4 cup of applesauce, a tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1.5 cups of flour, and 1 cup of soy milk. You can use any kind of nut milk, soy milk, almond milk. Just don't use cow's milk because the cow's milk has more potassium and more phosphorus. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're just gonna combine all of our ingredients into one bowl. And we're just gonna whisk everything together. And the reason why we're using applesauce is to avoid using baking powder, which adds extra salt to the recipe. And so the applesauce does give it a very nice thickened texture. So your pancakes will be a little bit thicker than traditional pancakes, but also gives a lot of moisture. Next, what we're going to do is we're just gonna take some nonstick spray and spray it on our hot griddle. We're just going to take a spoonful. You're just going to let them cook on each side for a couple minutes until you start to see it pick up from the bottom. So you'll start to see the batter start to bubble on top, and that'll start to indicate that it's starting to be cooked on the other side. And then you just want to carefully turn over. And there you have it, applesauce pancake.